kilala naman natin siya lahat. Pinagdaanan niya, anong itinamatay niya, what he stood for. Long overdue na dapat mapakita ito. So, of course, we show also equality with both genders and of course, yung strength ng isang babae.
How is it working with Lobby Foley sa film na to?
It's been a long time actually. Honestly, yun nasa 9-10 years to in the making. It has been through some challenges, pero sa awa ng Diyos na itapos na ni Direk Ellen, and very proud to be part of this kasi how ironic na nakasama din ako sa Maria Clara. Tama. How ironic na nakasama ako sa Maria Clara at Clara. Saan? Andres Bonifacio.
Pero nauna to.
Nauna to actually. So, mukhang ang itsura ko pang period talaga.
Ito ba yung pinakamatagal mong pelikulang ginawa? 10 years?
Actually, yes. Yes. So, it's easy to say na hindi ko makakalimutan. It's very hard also to do. Hindi basta-basta makakapag-adlib dito. And you have to portray someone important. So, everything had to be on point.
Challenges yung counter.
Challenges were definitely yung clothes, yung init, at yung salita. Hindi tayo ganito magsalita dati. So, yung nuances, sa nagpo-pause, very formal ang pagsalita. So, those were the things na pinantayan ni Direk Jeff and Direk Ellen.
How was it like working with Lovie all of this film? 10 years ago and also parang this year.
Itong last leg, halos hindi ko na sila nakasama. Well, si Lovie kasi nasa ibang bansa. So, mas ako ang nagtapos ng pelikula and other cast. But, alam niyo naman ang history namin. Kami pa nung time na ginagawa ito. Of course, working with Lovie is a lot of fun. Lalo na being someone who has witnessed her growth sa showbiz and yung caliber niya sa pagdating sa acting yan. So, syempre, nandun ang pressure. Nandun ang pressure na lumevel sa kanila ni Paolo. It was fun and I'm just really glad na we were able to finish it and finally showcase it. Kasi at this hard time in our lives ngayon, maraming galit. Kailangan natin ng mga ganito to remind us what we're fighting for.
Can you expand that? Maraming ganun.
Baka ma-invite ako sa at maging resource pa ako. Pero isa ako I'll be very transparent. Isa ako sa mga galit sa nangyayari ngayon at hindi karapat-dapat. Alam mo, lahat tayo taxpayers and we want to see where the money is going.
Magandang hapon sa inyo
pag-asa
lahat.
talaga tayo na
Welcome
maglat
to this
sa
absolutely historic event.
bilang isang
The
first
violet carpet screening and
Maraming
press
nagsasabi
conference
na
for
even up to
Vicky
now wala pa rin
Gregoria de Jesus.
nakaparisa.
We are here to celebrate our relevant woman in history.
Darating
The
tayo
mother
dyan.
of the revolution, ang
Lahat naman tayo may
makabilang
hangganan.
katipunan
So, I
Gregoria
believe,
de Jesus.
basta gawin lang natin ng tama.
To our esteemed friends
Walang
in the press
violence.
and media,
Makakamit din natin.
please
yung
proceed
justisya.
immediately to
And,
the auditorium where
kailangan
our
lang natin
panel
magtulungan.
waits for the
Paano
press
ka lang nakarelease
conference
sa
to
character
begin.
mo dito bilang Andres?
We will
Ano yung
start
pagkakapareho
in
niyo?
5 minutes. Thank you and
Marami sa mga
see
roles ko
you.
nagpapakita ng loyalty and pagmamahal sa bansa, sa kapwa Pilipino, tulad ng Encantadia, kusang isang general. Dito, bilang Andres Bonifacio, yung pagmamahal and standing up to what's right. Yun, isa akong Navy Reservist. So, bilang isang personal ng AFP, naniniwala ako sa dapat may unity. And hindi mangyayari yun kung hindi ka mag-lead by example. So, sa lahat ng makakaya kong powers para maging boses ng mga kabataan, lalo na ngayon, I will do it. And yun lang naman ang akin eh. We have to all lead by example. Kaya maging corrupt, people will follow.
Ano lang expect ng mga tao rito sa film na to?
Pelikula would like to thank
Further
our following
understanding on
event
what it's
and
like
media
to be
partners.
nationalistic
Esquire,
and wanting to
Radio
have a better
Mindanao
future.
Network, Marketing
Dito,
Media
pinaglalaban natin ang
Ventures,
independence natin.
Pet.ph,
And I think this is what we
Linya
need to fuel
Alapaa Printing,
everything that we want to achieve.
Best Choice Catering,
Please invite them.
Marikina
um,
Bakeries,
Matagal na po ito. Finally, it's coming out on behalf of Lovie and Paolo and yung buong cast.
Silingan
Kaya
Coffee,
pareho.
Calm and
Showing na po ang
Sense,
Lakambini sa theater.
Organisasyon
Please support,
ng
please
Pilipinong
understand.
Pangaawit,
So we can all together
Light Rail
know
Manila
and
Corporation
fight
and
what's right.
Digital Cinema Package.
Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much.
See you
Thank you,
later.
boss.